Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tina and I am a beauty influencer, a lifestyle influencer, whatever you want to call me. Today I'm reviewing the Doja Cat and bhcosmetics collab because Doja Cat, hello, I'm a huge fan of Doja Cat. I think she is so cool, so beautiful, super talented. I just love her TikTok. I just love Doja. But who doesn't right now? So I've already done pretty much my base because I think I was sent, well, I'm going to show you what I was sent. Let me show you the PR kit. Here is the Doja Cat bhcosmetics PR kit. It's a huge tote, a beautiful gold tote. You know what's crazy? Hold on. I had one of these years ago. I don't know what I did with it. I probably got rid of it. I don't know what I did with it, but I've had one of these from Puma when I was 17 or 18 or I think, and I thought it was the coolest thing, and I can't believe I have another one, except this one says Doja on it. I'm keeping this. So I got the eyeshadow palette. If you want to skip right into the review, I think it will say it on the video, or I'll try to comment it down below, but you can feel free to fast forward. Feel free to fast forward because I'm gonna go through and show you everything that came in the PR kit for the people who are interested in it. So here's the Doja Cat palette. This palette I was really impressed with because look how beautiful it is. There's a mirror. I don't want to blind you, but there is a mirror. Can you see that? Yeah. And then look at the colors. Oh. Look how beautiful that is. What? It is so nice. I swatched the colors I think on my Instagram story, but they are so pretty, so I'm definitely going to use that. They sent a brush set. Look how beautiful. Oh. And they come, they come in a little pencil case type of bag, and all the brushes have this pink, I love BH brushes by the way, pink brush head, what do you call that, bristles, and gold handles, really pretty. So I'm going to set that up and use those. I believe it's a full set of 10-piece brush set with bag. Okay, that's perfect. And I'll use some of my own if it's not enough to do like a whole eye look, but they're so, I gotta take all the plastic off. Oh, but how pretty are these? Perfect, love that. I don't know the prices offhand, but I'll either list it or put it on the screen. Oh, here is the press card. Oh, it says the prices. Okay, eyeshadow palette, well, I'll put it on the screen just to not be like confusing. But look how pretty that, oh my God. I was gonna recreate this, but peace and love, I don't wanna sit here for hours. And I don't think I can do it fast, and an eye look like that I would want to do first and not after foundation. I'm going to use the products, but I'm not doing, this is beautiful though. Even this one back here, oh, right here, ooh, that golden look, I could do something like that. And there's a lot of filler. I can't believe they sent me this whole bag. That is so nice. All mixed up. I should have taken it out, but I wanted to give you like the whole experience, so let me take everything out now. I was also sent the 3 tinted lip balms, a white eyeliner, I'll try to use that, 3 plumping lip glosses, which I love a plumping lip gloss. I pretty much only wear a plumping lip gloss, pretty much. So I'm excited to try these because I haven't tried a plumping gloss from BH yet. I don't know if that's new, but I'm excited to try that. A black eyeliner, definitely need that. I can like barely talk because I'm so excited. Volumizing mascara, I haven't tried their mascara before. A highlight, and I hope this is a blush palette. Oh no, it's not. I'm gonna have to put on blush. And a bronze quad. I'm gonna have to go in and put it. I thought there was gonna be a blush, but maybe I didn't get everything, but that's okay. I'll just put on a blush real quick. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna speed through it just so the video's not too long. I just want to do a quick review. I know not everyone watches reviews now, but I know there's some of you who do. Like whenever I want to purchase something, I watch a full review. So I wanted to do it anyway. So I'm going to speed over that part and pop in if I wanted to say anything significant. But that part, I'll either do a voiceover or speed over it just so I don't like drag it.
All right, baby. Love you. We'll walk together, right?
Yeah. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette performed way better than I expected. Okay, just way better because for the price and the color range. So I'm sure I showed you on the screen while I was doing it the colors I used, but I wanted to do like this smoky look I've been dying to do. like a taupey brown smoky, especially because of the fall. Look how beautiful that is. So I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner now. I wanna do black first. I was gonna do like a crazy white and I'm like, you know what? I've never done that before. Let today not be the day. I don't wanna is this green? I don't even care if it is. Oh no, it's black. So I don't wanna review when I don't even know what I'm doing, you know? So I'm gonna go in and do the eyeliner. I can't breathe when I do this, so. I'm trying to get it precise, but if I don't, forgive me. But so far the eyeliner is really good. So I'm not used to using a pencil liner. That's why it doesn't look perfect, but it is very, very good. But I'm gonna leave it alone and just go in with the rest of the products. Next, I'm going to try the mascara because I am gonna do lashes, but you're not gonna be able to tell if the mascara is good when I have lashes on, so I'm just gonna do it now. The brush is different. Oh, I kind of like that. I don't typically wear mascara by itself. Oh. Okay, this is for, well, you know what I noticed? The mascara girls know how to do mascara. And you know what I'm talking about. You know the women, they don't wear a lot of makeup like me, right? But they will wear their mascara. I think you guys will like this because I bet you're so precise about it. I do think it made them look really a lot thicker and longer. But I had a lot of lashes fall out because I had lash extensions in August. And I pulled them out. You're not supposed to do that, but I did. Okay, so real quickly, I'm gonna pop on some false lashes, blush, and then we'll come back and do lips. Okay, lashes and blush are on. I also did my lip liner because I only have lip gloss and the lip balms, the lip tint. I guess I could use a lip tint. Let me see what color. A lip tinted, I love a tinted lip balm. Oh! That actually looks really pretty. Okay, this is the shade. What shade is? Oh, this one is light tint. And it's just like a nudie pink, but I think it looks so pretty. Okay, so there's I can't get it out. Oh my God, I'm so tired now. 3 plumping glosses. I want to use this one right here. And this is nude. Okay, so here's the nude. I love it. I don't feel the plumping yet, but it's very pretty. You know me, I'm in my uniform. I'm not gonna put on an outfit because I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to review this. Well, should I put on an outfit and take a picture? I might put on an outfit and take a picture. So if you see that in the thumbnail and you see that on my Instagram, you know the behind the scenes that I was just in my uniform. I have bicycle shorts on, my big t-shirt. I'm not dressed up, but okay, so for the final review, I love the collection. First of all, I love Doja. I already knew I was gonna like it, you know, just because I'm a fan, so I'm biased. But as far as the products, this might be bhcosmetics' best eyeshadow palette to date. I mean that with my whole chest, okay? Their best eyeshadow palette to date. The brushes are good. I've always loved the brushes. If you guys are with me for a long time, you know that I've even had a code at some point. I don't know if they still do that, but I've had a code at some point. I have BH brushes in my professional makeup kit. I personally use tons of BH brushes in my personal kit. I love the brushes, okay? And these just make it really pretty. So if it matches your vanity, if it matches your aesthetic, definitely get these. Love the eyeshadow palette. The eyeliner was actually really good. I'm just not good at like a marker liner. I'm better with a brush and then it comes out better. It was still really good. I even took out the white one and tried to get cute because I know Doja does a lot of graphic liners. I don't want to do too much. I still have to walk my dog. Oh, I didn't put mascara on the bottom. All right, whatever. I did a little dot, really pigmented, really good white liner. And what else did I have? I have the highlighter. I'll put it on for you guys. Some of you know I don't love wearing highlighter. I think it looks pretty. It's just not my favorite thing to wear, but to review it, and it's basically a loose powder, but let's see. Let me use this one. I don't want too much on. It's getting all over. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Oh, that's quite nice. Oh, I got it all in my hair. But that's pretty, no? I put on too much, but it's really pretty. Let me do a little bit less on this side. Okay, that's really nice. So if you like highlighter, you'll probably love it because that looks really pretty. Altogether, I love the collection. Congratulations to Doja and BH, honestly. Beautiful collection. I just feel like they were like, no, 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 this is for Doja. And did the best of everything that they could because it is really beautiful. I'm definitely going to be using this palette. I have Halloween looks coming up, but I'll try to use it for that. There are some colors in it. I'll try to use it as much as possible, but for the regular soft glam fall looks, I mean, there's beautiful emerald shades, mauve, blush, purple, berry shades, the dark blues, the neutral tones, okay, the smoky shades, the light lavenders. This is perfect for fall. How do I look with it? So the collection for me is 10 out of 10. Of course, BH's price point is amazing as it is. So if you were looking for new makeup, if you wanted something to inspire you, oh, I feel the plumping. Definitely go for this because the packaging on everything is just so cute, so pretty. Huge fan. I love it. I love it. I even love the little tinted lip balm. Like, did that not give me a cute little pink sheen? I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you're going to purchase any of it and let me know what you think. Maybe you have it already. I checked, it's still in stock, so I'll list everything down below. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe before you leave and comment what else you want to see. I hope to see you next time. Bye.
Just a game, 'cause I got high hopes.